Winter is coming. We've got a new job in the garden today. I thought I'd take you along for the ride. It's not a particularly interesting vlog, but basically I've got an apple tree and a pear tree, and it just causes this mess. We have picked, believe it or not, we have picked bucket loads of apples, but the rest of them have fallen off the tree. Casper loves chasing these though, so they're fun dog toys. But I've got to dump them somewhere, which I know is criminal, that I've got all this food in the garden. But we have harvested absolutely tons of these. So I've got a load of apples that I need to put somewhere. I've got some more over here, and it's a wheelbarrow load. It is so heavy, but I've thought of killing two birds with one stone, and that is to deal with finally Casper's trench. I'm not sure it comes across on camera quite how deep this is. It is deeper than his body, and we've put concrete blocks down, I've put bricks down. He just keeps coming back to it, and tunneling through to next door. So the idea is I'm just going to empty this into the hole and then hopefully turn it into a nice compost, what do you call it, patch, compost corner. I don't like compost corners. I just think they're disgusting and rank. But I think with this, at least it's going to all mulch down. And when I cover it with earth, you know, basically I'm going to use the apples as landfill. I need to put this camera somewhere so you can see this. Whoa! Well, I think that went quite well. I didn't know how much it would fill, but that is almost coming up to the fence. So maybe I can put some other stuff down on top of it and it'll mulch down. It absolutely stinks though. Who'd thought apples would? I mean, my wife has turned our pears and apples into some lovely chutney, so we've got enough of that for 2 years. But I think I need to put some earth down or something just to cover up the smell, if nothing else. It smells like a sewer down there. Plus, I think I've got another 2 wheelbarrow loads waiting for me. I'll try and get the kids to do that as some kind of game. When they're teenagers, they kind of see through the brazen attempt to get help, and then they go beyond it because they know that they can use that as leverage. So I will say it's a fun game picking up the apples. I am calling this Dad Delivers success. Thank you. If you're coming along with me for the vlogs, thanks for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep going with this, the capricious videos and the more useful ones. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.